Page 14, We Three Kings of Orient are. I go through the process I used to learn a piece of music. Let's see what happens. I look it over, it's 4 lines long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. We're in 3/4 time signature here. And just glancing through, I see half notes, quarter notes, dotted half notes. All right, I think we can handle all that. The hands are playing one at a time, so I'm going to take both hands together. The right hand starts with second finger on E, and I assume you know the notes in the music, because all that is taught in the method book, not in here. So it's here, and the left hand is thumb on middle C here, so we're in this position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, and so forth. I go through that. Then I go back through it slowly and carefully, and I get rid of any hesitations. And I haven't been saying it in any of these videos for this book, but you should be able to play all of these without looking at the keyboard eventually. So you can remember where your fingers are, which keys your fingers are on. Because you don't want to be reading finger numbers. Some teachers teach you do. I'm very much opposed to that, because you're getting a problem later on when you do that. Learn to read the notes and remember which finger is on which note. That's really the way we need to do it. Then I think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte. Sort of loud. Not loud, just medium loud. Okay, and measure 9, you have a P for piano. Now you're soft, whatever you think soft is. And you see the gradually louder on measure 10. Means you're going to gradually get a little louder until measure 13. You're up to moderately loud. MF is mezzo forte, like you were at the beginning. Well, we have to plan this out, because if you don't, you'll be moderately loud by measure 11. You'll do it immediately. We don't want to do that. So measure 9 is soft. Measure 10, stay there. Now come up just a hair. Now a little more. Now. So it's like each measure I got a little louder, but for measures 9 and 10, I stayed soft. It was really measures 10 and 11 I started getting louder. You want to save most of your change toward the end of it. So soft to measure 9. Now a little louder. Yeah, save most of your change toward the end. Ideally, what you want to do is just, you get into the music and you're comfortable enough with it. You're not thinking about notes and rhythms and stuff. You're feeling the music. You feel the dynamics. You feel the louds and softs. You feel the speed. It says moderately. Well, just somewhere in the middle. Don't copy me. You don't have to take it that speed. You can experiment with the dynamics, the louds and softs a little bit. How do you feel them? Now, when you can play this at least slowly with no hesitations, then let's play it together and make sure you have the correct notes and the correct rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs. We're not performing it, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Tie. 2, 3. Off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. We're going to speed it up a little bit, and I need you to go up the keyboard again. So just pretend that middle C instead of here is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. 1, ready, go.